Hello everyone and welcome back to the Books and More digital channel. This video is geared for those of you who are new to using an uninterruptible power supply or UPS. A quick setup installation guide for beginners. We have here the APC Back-UPS 425 model. It has an estimated runtime of 45 minutes, which is more than enough to save your work, safely shut down your computer, and safeguard your data. The battery and surge outlets are covered by this yellow sticker, so you will need to peel this off. Here at the Books and More office, we often experience power outages, so we're taking measures to protect our computer workstation and network devices. We'll be setting one desktop computer for the first outlet, two display monitors for the second and third outlet, and the remaining fourth outlet will be unused. First and foremost, the first battery and surge outlet will take in the main computer. Secondly, we want to be able to see the screen when the electricity goes out. We have two flat display screens, so one adapter will be inserted into the second outlet. The second adapter, geared for the second display screen, will go in as well. These last two ports only serve as a surge protector. It will not provide auxiliary power in the event of an outage. After your devices are connected to the UPS, we then connect the power supply cord of the UPS to an electrical outlet. This particular UPS requires a three-pronged outlet, so we insert like so. Back on the UPS unit, press and hold the power button to activate it. Wait until you hear a beep sound. The power button will blink several times until it remains as a solid green light, and that's when you know it's ready. Once you have that UPS ready, go ahead and fire up your computer and monitor. Alright, so we're going to do a sample power outage by disconnecting the power of the UPS. As you can see here, I already disconnected the power cord. The power button on the UPS will blink and produce a beeping sound, indicating that it has lost main electrical power. This is the best time where you should immediately save all your work and shut down your computer. And there you have it, folks. A quick and simple guide to setting up an uninterruptible power supply for beginners. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. See ya. Until next time.